In today's video, I am going to teach you how to organize Miro. A clean Miro board is easier to understand, easier to present, and much faster to work in. The goal is to create a board that stays readable even after you add lots of content. You will do that by using frames as containers, grouping content into clear sections, and keeping naming consistent so navigation stays simple. Start by going to Miro and opening a new board. When the blank canvas loads, take a moment to think of your layout as a workspace with dedicated areas, instead of one giant open page. Frames are the main tool for this. Frames let you gather related items together, move them as a unit, and keep the board structured as it grows. You can add a frame quickly by pressing the F key, then clicking and dragging on the canvas to draw the frame around the space you want to dedicate to a topic. Once you have frames in place, name them clearly and consistently. For example, if you have multiple sections, use the same style for each frame title so it is easy to scan. Good naming also helps when you use the Frames panel, which gives you a list view of your board and lets you jump to any area instantly. This is one of the simplest ways to prevent getting lost on a large board. Next, use highlighting to bring attention to what matters most. Click on the highlight tool, then apply it to the text or objects you want people to notice first. This works well for key decisions, final outputs, or the current section you are presenting. Keep your highlighting consistent. If one color means important, use that same color throughout the board. Then click on Highlight again as needed to emphasize another item. Be selective so the highlights stay meaningful. If everything is highlighted, nothing stands out. As a final organizing tip, keep boards grouped at a higher level using projects in Miro, so related boards live together in one place. Combined with frames, clear sectioning, and consistent naming, this creates a workflow that stays organized over time. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.